Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry that it has taken a while before we did a video, but thank you so much for those who've stopped by to watch this video. And if you're watching this for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and you'll always be the first to get the video when it comes in. My name is Ruth Kwamby, and today I want to show you something interesting. I think you heard about detox water or infused waters. It's just plain water that has added flavors. There are people who have issues with drinking plain water as it is, and the people don't have issue, like they easily drink that water. But then what I'm going to show you will benefit you in different ways depending on how your body takes it. We're just going to create infused or detox waters, as people call it, from veggies, fruits and herbs. So quite a number of ways you can do this, so I'm just going to show you what you can do. And with your water bottle, every day as you go out, you can choose what you want to put inside your water. This is my water bottle. It's so pretty. It's 1.4 liters. So every day I consume this whole bottle and an additional 2 glasses of water. Water is good for our body system, is good for our skin, and different other ways. So let's go direct to what you want to do. The first infused water that I'm going to show you is cucumber and lemon. So what you need to do is just have your cucumber and have your lemon, slices of lemon, and you add water. So you can drink this throughout the day and your body is going to stay hydrated. What we want to do is hydrate ourselves. The second one that you can make, you can use watermelon and mint leaves. Actually, for the fruits, you can try and crush them a bit to get the full benefits of it. Then you add water. So this is the second one that you can do. The third one, we can have our blueberries and chia seeds. Blueberries and chia seeds. Then the next thing is just add water. And you're good to go. The fourth one that you can do is you can have your apple and cinnamon. So sprinkle cinnamon to your apple, add water, and have it throughout the day. The fifth one is pineapple. So I have my pineapple here, and mint. This was rosemary, sorry. For the watermelon, this is rosemary. Then pineapple and mint leaves. Just pour in your water and your day is sorted. The last one is orange. Have your cinnamon sprinkle, add water, you're good to go. Our various infused waters, you can have this. What you need is just a water bottle, and you add few slices of any of these that you choose to, and drink it throughout the day. You'll feel the benefits. One, it will help detox your body. Number two, it's going to help you achieve a clear skin. And it's also going to help your metabolism, flush out toxins, and you're going to stay healthy, super hydrated and energized throughout the day. So make sure you try any of these. Thank you for watching. Sorry that it's raining. I think you can hear some bit of noise. Thank you for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe, leave a comment, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know what you think about it, and I hope to see you in my next video.